Hello students, welcome back. So we will see few more problems on inverse trigonometric functions. So here in this first three, you are required to prove that, means LHS is equal to RHS. And in this next three, he tells solve, means you are required to find value of x. So now I will take this first one. So you are required to take LHS and you are required to show it is equal to RHS. So first one, if I take sine inverse 2x root of 1 minus x square. Now you can here remember the hint. So when he asks problems of this type, you should substitute x equal to. What you are required to substitute, you decide on these answers. Now for example, in the first problem, is equal to 2 cos inverse x, he says, means put x equal to cos theta. Here now you may recognize put x equal to, very good, sin theta. Here put x equal to tan theta. So first if I take put x is equal to sin theta, cos theta. Put x equal to cos theta. So this is equal to LHS sin inverse 2 cos theta into root of 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So outside root means you will have sin theta. So sin inverse 2 cos theta root of sin square theta. So root and square gets cancelled. So this will be equal to sin inverse 2. This is sin theta cos theta. Now if you observe this bracket, it is a formula of sin 2 theta. So sin inverse into bracket sin 2 theta. Sin inverse sin gets cancelled. You will have 2 theta and that is equal to 2. Theta means cos inverse x. So this is RHS. This is our first problem. Now similarly you can tell me second one. If I take second one, sin inverse into bracket 3x minus 4x cube. So you are required to put what x equal to? Put x equal to sin theta. Whatever answer is there in the RHS, same function you take, sin theta. So this will be equal to sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is a formula of sin 3 theta. So you will have sin inverse into bracket sin 3 theta. So sin inverse sin gets cancelled. You will have 3 theta. Then finally you substitute theta. You substitute theta. So theta will be equal to sin inverse x. So this is 3 sin inverse x, that is our RHS. This is second problem. Now I will take a third one. Cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So third one. So I have told the hint, put x equal to tan theta. So third I will take cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So put x equal to tan theta. So if I substitute x equal to tan theta, I will be having cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So again, if you remember first year formulas, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is a formula for cos 2 theta. So this is cos inverse of cos 2 theta. So cos inverse cos gets cancelled. You will have 2 theta. Then again you substitute theta. So x equal to tan theta, so theta will be tan inverse x. So we will have 2 tan inverse x, that is nothing but our RHS. That is our RHS. So you can note down this problem. So now last section, solve he has told, means we are required to find the value of x. So I will take first one, that is 4th over here. So tan inverse x minus tan inverse 9 by 7 is equal to tan inverse x minus 1. We are required to find the value of x. Now here you apply tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. So tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is tan inverse x minus y, that is x minus 9 by 7 divided by 1 plus xy, that is 1 plus x into 9 by 7 is equal to tan inverse x minus 1. So now on both sides tan inverse gets cancelled, or you may say this bracket is equal to x minus 1. So tan inverse gets cancelled. Here I will take LCM. So I will have 7x minus 9 whole divided by 7 divided by 7 plus 9x divided by 7 is equal to x minus 1. Now here again on LHS side this 7 gets cancelled. So I will be having 7x minus 9 divided by 7 plus 9x is equal to x minus 1. Now you cross multiply this, then take all terms to the LHS, you will be having a quadratic equation. So if I cross multiply 7x minus 9 is equal to, so if I multiply this first with 7x minus 7, then plus 9x square minus 9x minus 9x. Now take all terms to the LHS. So 7x gets cancelled. So 9x square, if I take minus 9x square, if I take this plus 9x, then if I take 7 it will be minus 2 equal to 0. So if I change the sign, 9x square minus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now further you can solve on your own. This is quadratic equation. So you simplify it, you will get 2 values of x. So 9 into 2, 18. You simplify, factorize it, you will get the answer. So you can pause and solve it. Then we will go for the 5th one. Okay students, now taking next problem. Again if you observe LHS, it is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. Again here we are required to find value of x. So we will apply formula on the LHS. Tan inverse 2x plus 3x divided by 1 minus 2x into 3x is equal to pi by 4. Tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Now pass this tan inverse to the RHS. So we will have 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 or tan 45 is 1. So we will have 5x by 1 minus 6x square is equal to 1. Now again further similar to the last problem, take this to the RHS, then pass all terms to the LHS, you will have quadratic equation and again simplify that. So I will have 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. So if I take it to the LHS, I will have 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. So simplify this, you will have the answer. So further you can simplify this quadratic equation. So pause, you simplify it, then we will go for the last problem, that is sixth one. Okay, so sixth one. So here I will pass this sine to the RHS, so I will be having sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1. When will be the value of sine theta 1? At pi by 2. So this will be sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This I will take it as equation 1. Now we know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. You remember this formula? Previously we have seen it. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Now if you compare these two equations, RHS is same, these two terms are same. From these two terms directly now you can tell the value of x. So x will be 1 by 5. So from 1 and 2, x is equal to 1 by 5. This is our answer. So this is about inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, thank you.